Hello everyone. So we are in CSWE preparation series, and this question is related to part modification. Okay, so I've solved this question before, but I've mentioned that there are a couple of ways to solve this question, and in this tutorial I'm gonna go ahead and show the easier method that you can go ahead and, if you will have a question something like this, so that you can go ahead and use that, and it's very easy, and let's say it's easier than the previous method. Okay, let's go ahead and try to use this. Okay, the question is, we need to rotate this handle around this. We need to make it vertical. In order to do that, we need to check an angle first of all. Let's go ahead and try to use this eyeball and try to see this line. Okay, center line. I'm gonna go ahead and use the measurement tool. I'll select this axis and also this axis. The angle is 60 degrees, so we need to rotate this handle 30 degree around this axis. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'll go ahead and use I will not create any other surface geometry over here, but I will use the surface geometry to split this body from this body. This is simple and easy method. I'm gonna go ahead and use the surface, and I'll go ahead and use offset surface over here. And offset, I'm gonna go ahead and make it 0. I'll just copy the same surface to its original place. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. And over here, just I'll hide this body right now. Let's go ahead and hide that. Okay. And over here, I'll just go ahead and use, let's say, we can use untrim, we can use delete hole. Let's go ahead and try to use untrim. We'll click OK. Okay, let's try to use all edges. Doesn't work, it's all fine. We can use delete hole. Sometimes, depending on the geometry, both method might work. Okay, but delete hole works the best all the time. Okay, let's go ahead and try to get back our geometry. Okay, looks nice. So we have this surface, and now I'm gonna go to feature tab. I'll use intersect, and I'll select this geometry. I'll select, let's say, from here our offset surface. I'll intersect the geometry. Okay, and we have these two geometries. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. So I did not select it. I just need to select these two. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. Oh, this consumes the body, so we don't need to uncheck merge results. Let's click OK. We need to uncheck this. Let's click OK. Okay. In solid bodies, you will see the geometry this, and also geometry this one. And over here, I'll go ahead and try to first hide this. And before merging this geometry or rotating anything, I'll just try to see what is the mass, 80.12. Yes, since mass will be different, let's go ahead and try to rotate this then. And I'll use move copy bodies. You can go ahead and search over here, or just insert features, and you can find over here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use the rotation, and rotation axis will be this axis. Try to select the correct axis. By the way, you can download this model from my GrabCAD account. Just go ahead and search CAD for engineers. You will find that. And as a geometry, I'm gonna go ahead and select this, and I'll rotate that negative 30 degree to up direction, or positive. I remember from last time it was negative, but anyway, let's go ahead and click OK. Okay, we have rotated our parts, so now it's time to combine these bodies together using combine tool. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. That's it. So we have successfully rotate the geometry, so this looks very nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the mass properties again. 80.12 didn't change, but what we changed over here is central mass. Just go ahead and use that. Over here in 5-step, we completed our geometry. We successfully rotated. This is a different method. There are other methods as well, but these two methods works best. Just try to go ahead and check my first tutorial regarding a CSWE preparation for part modifications. The first method, I just deleted this surface from here. Then it's the same kind of logic, is the same. You separate body together. And the first case, you more deal with surfaces, but over here you create surface actually, and then you use that surface to intersect, to split these bodies into different pieces, so that I can use the move copy bodies command to rotate this handle around this axis. Okay guys, I hope all these methods are helpful and you prepare this exam. And do not forget, if you like the tutorial, just hit the like button and try to subscribe to my channel, since I'm going to share other tips and tricks regarding CSWE exam. Thank you.